because from the health department we have directed our team, especially those situated in the border area. So we have like informed them, and then we have asked them to remain on alert. But right now, as of such, we have not got any report, any alarming report here in especially from this border area. So we have a surveillance team who is like traveling and then taking stock of the situation. But right now, as of there is no such alarming cases which is coming up. So that's why I think we have not pass or give any direction or any notification. As you all know that we have our health institute in the like the sub center, PSC, CSC, in all these areas. So we have asked them to be on high alert to see that such cases is there, to inform us. But as of now, we have not seen any increasing trend. No doubt some cases will be there, which is usually there, but as still today we have not seen any alarming rise as such, as which you have mentioned, especially what is happening in our neighboring country. There is no increase as such. But still then we have asked them to be on high alert, and if anything, to please inform us, and then we have a surveillance team who keep on traveling and take stock of this kind of situation. So we have put our surveillance team also on high alert, but till now we have not got any such cases for we are increasing trend.